Welcome to the personal property tour for 42 Bankhead Place in Windygates. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom terrace property. You've got off-street parking, you've got an extensive garden, and the bonus, you've got a working office in the garden as well. I'll just take you on. So this is the property here. So as you can see, there is a pen to the side of the property, which is fantastic for your bin access. You also have an extensive driveway for multiple vehicles as well. You can see as we approach the property as well, the front door, you've got the side window as well, which is fantastic. It makes it lovely and bright and airy when we go inside. And I will take you on the tour. So we come straight into the entrance hallway. So as you can see, it's lovely and airy and bright. I'm going to start upstairs. So as we come upstairs, you'll see straight away, you've got your family bathroom straight ahead. So you've got your WC, your wash hand basin, your bath, you've got your thermostatic control shower with your rainfall shower head. You also have beautiful display storage. It's a really nice sized room, lovely and bright with a big window. Straight ahead in the hallway as well, you've got a huge storage cupboard, so it's great for your laundry. We then go into the first of the bedrooms. So this one's currently used as a home office study room, workroom. You could easily get a double bed in here, or a single bed and a desk. You also have storage here as well, lovely and bright with a big window. Back out into the hallway, you can see above, attic hatch, so it gives you your access for your storage. Then bedroom number 2, a good sized double. You can see a lot of space in here. They have a freestanding unit here as well, so that's quite a big unit, and there's still a lot of space. So you're easily getting a good sized double in here. And you can see that from this angle. Then we go back out into the hallway, into the third bedroom, which again is a great double. Lovely big window, nice and bright. This is a big bed arrangement as well, lots of space still. I'll show you from this angle. As you can see, it's a really nice sized room. And it overlooks the rear garden, so nice and peaceful. We sneak peek. And I will take you downstairs. So as we come downstairs, you'll see what I meant about the doors and the window, just how lovely and bright it is. So it's created a nice airy space. Then we're straight ahead into the lounge dining room. You've got dual aspect windows in here, so nice and bright. This is a dining area. You could put a home office area in there. You can see it's a nice sized room. Go down to the bottom. Again, it's overlooking the garden, so we sneak peek again. Great space. This is quite big furniture, so it's a lot of room in here. Really is a nice sized lounge diner. Go back out into the hallway. You also have an understore storage area, which is great. Then we go into the kitchen, so it's a galley style kitchen. You have your integrated oven, hob and extractor. Lots of storage. Nice and airy again because you've got the window and the door. You've got lots of display shelving there as well. And I'll just show you from this angle. It's a great size working kitchen. It's fab. Then I'll take you out into the garden. So instantly you can see just how much space you have in the garden. So you first come out, you've got patio area here, which is great for your social space. And then just to the side again, as I say, you have that pen for taking your bins. But it's such a great space. Can't hear anything. You're going to get the sun the whole day because it's rising up here. It's coming around the garden the whole time. And you'll see as we go through the garden, because it's quite a long garden, they're maximising every opportunity to enjoy sunny days in here. So walking down the garden, you can see straight away you've got a nice seating area here as well. And you have this beautiful home office. Hello, Post. This is a great space. So this is currently utilised as a working office, as you can see. So you've got your power. There's Wi-Fi here as well. It's nice and spacious. You've got windows here and to the side, as well as a patio door. So this is a great room for a home office. It could be man or lady cave, it could be cinema room for the kids. Just a fabulous space. And even from this bit, we're only halfway down the garden. If I show you up to here, you can see how much space you have. But the garden continues. So as we come out of the home office, you'll see here, you've got a shed for storage. You've got an enclosed area here as well, which is used at the moment as a kind of outside lounge and social space, as you'll see. So this is a great space. So they've got planters, you've got your barbecue area, your seating area, your fire. It's just fabulous. Kayaks if you're into. We're not far from the beach, so you're literally 10-minute drive to the beach. We'll come down to this end. You'll see going up to where the back of the sunroom is. This is a great space, designed totally for getting that evening sunshine as well. But as I come over to this side and you look down the garden, you can see just how big this garden area is. So we're coming again, as I say, you've got that home office and then the property here. So great space. So this is a personal property tour for 42 Bankhead Place in Windygates. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom terrace property. You've got this great home office outside, lovely extensive garden, so lots of social space for entertaining. You've got your off-street parking to the front as well. It's in a great location. 2-minute walk, there's a little shop down the road. 3-minute drive, you're down to the main drag at the roundabout at Windygates. It's taking you to Leven, to where obviously the beach train station is going to be, or to Kirkcaldy Glen Office, where you've got Thornton train station, Kirkcaldy station. So great commutes to Edinburgh, Dundee and beyond. You've got primary school, you've got bowling club, so much going on here. It's a great lifestyle. This property is on the market with ourselves at the moment. It offers over £125,000. If it's of interest to yourself, feel free to message me directly, or you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at 5 Properties V. Take care. Bye bye.